I don't know if I've ever been as excited to open a package as I am excited to open this one. I've been trying to find ways to make my work more analog and just like reduce screen fatigue. So when I saw this lot, I knew I had to get it. Ready? I'm just gonna rip it. Oh. Immediately, can you see this? I'm already jazzed. Starting off strong. Old-time advertising cuts and typography. Okay, I'm already obsessed. Oh my god, look at that. I can use that. Ah! Okay, dope. Designs from Pre-Columbian Mexico? You've gotta be kidding me. Okay. This sourcebook and treasury of unique designs in a collection never published before. 300 original motifs created by the Aztecs, Toltecs, Teutonics, and others, all ready for use by the artist, illustrator, designer, hobbyist, and handicrafter. This is so cool. I can't believe I haven't bought a lot of graphic design, vintage graphic design books before. I've been missing out. Okay. Ornamental borders, scrolls, and cartouches. I have no idea what a cartouche, what is that word? I hope it's cartouche. Okay, so this
is very like Rococo. It's like Bridgerton vibes. I don't know if there's really anything I design in this style. Maybe for fun illustrations, but not a lot of my client work I think would have overlap there.
Ooh. Oh, score! American Trademark Designs, a survey with 732 marks, logos, and corporate identity symbols. This is my favorite birthday. This just keeps getting better and better. Oh, this is neat. Next time I want to go on Pinterest for inspo, remind me we have Pinterest at home. Handbook of Pictorial Symbols. Okay. It's straight up just symbols. Travel and vacation advertising cuts from the 20s and 30s. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh. Floral Ornaments Graphic Source Clip Art. So this is from when clip art was literally, you clip it. Okay, cool. A little Art Nouveau, a lot of variety. These could be good. These could be great. This is like my dream flash tattoo sheet, actually. Shut the front door. Obsessed. Victorian frames, borders, and cuts. Okay, we've got like Victorian illustrations. Once again, I'm like, I don't know if this one is, well, this is kind of cool. There's like elements for like a pictograph Egyptian border. I could get on board with that. Little tiny elements to build your own border. Even having the assets, that would be quite a bit of work, but I don't know. maybe we'll have like a Victorian resurgence and I'll need those. Now this is dope. Pictorial Archive of Geometric Designs. Oh. It's just like a bunch of geometric patterns. These are also like, all the covers are really stunning. It's giving me inspiration. Like maybe I need a display wall to like put some up and then I can change them out based on the vibes. Okay, yes. 930 matchbook advertising cuts of the 20s and 30s. That's sick. Just little squares. If anybody wants a real authentic 1930s marketing campaign, boy do I have a book for you. I love it. I love it. This is actually like, I had high expectations and they have been surpassed. 2001 Decorative Cuts and Ornaments. Oh, this guy? You're coming with me. Also, cherub in a top hat? Sure. This is like, we're seeing still a lot more of that Victorian style, but for some reason these ones feel a lot more usable and aligned to me. Cute like logo potential on this page, I fear. Oh, cool. This one I feel like is the most eclectic as far as style. Like there's so many little things. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna be like, oh, I know I have a book with a little 1920s man golfing, and then I'm gonna have to flip through all these books looking for the one guy. Clip and scan nature. Hundreds of copyright-free illustrations ready to use. Immediately love. First page sold. I got so lost because it looks like there's like blank pages, and this must just be for like purposes of scanning, I don't know, but the pages are like inside. Decorative and display numbers. Let's go. I feel like these are my favorite ones, like the really specific ones. Like decorative and display numbers, and there's a whole book of them. Oh, I love that one with the curlies. It's great. I find a lot of times when I've like purchased a display font for a brand project, oh, that one's neat. The numbers aren't always up to par. That's a good one. Okay, Art Deco, authentic alphabets. Dope. Oh, look at that one. Oh, here's some like iconography. I'm very into that. I'm very into that. 1001 spot illustrations of the lively 20s. These are cute, cute, cute. Look at them. Oh, wait. She's kissing the jester. I love them. Look at this guy. These are everything to me. I'm such a font bitch. Sans serif display alphabets. Don't mind if I do. Love. I wonder if these are like available online. Oh, that one definitely is. But in general, I wonder like if all of these I could find online, or if I have something special here. You know what I'm saying? Fat Albert, you're gorgeous. This one's probably boring for everybody else, but this is one of my favorite ones. We have yet another Art Deco alphabet. This this one's better. This one's better because it's like the last book where it has like the entire alphabet of every single one laid out very beautifully. Ink. Wow, that's beautiful. I feel like I have Inkwell. I don't remember it looking like that though. Maybe there's another font by the same name. Very cool. Very cool. I think I also just got lucky buying these from someone with great taste. The Enchede catalog of typographic borders and ornaments. Once again, am I super excited about ornamental borders? No, not super. It's just borders. I don't know, I'm kind of bored of the borders. Early advertising alphabets, initials, and typographic ornaments. Whoa. Okay, first of all, first page I opened to, tree letters. Cool. Oh yeah, these are like, those are gorgeous. Very fairy tale. One's like trying to build a medieval revival brand. I have the assets, and no one else is gonna have them because these are from books. Got more borders. Ooh, I kind of like these. Like end. Fiend. Okay, let's manifest that this next one has nothing to do with borders. Ooh, women. A pictorial archive from 19th century sources. Oh, this is dope. I love these. I love these. Oh my god. Machinery and mechanical devices. Once again, I'm not sure I see it coming up in my work a lot. That's kind of cool. It feels like we still have a ton more. Oh no, we have 2 small ones and 1 big one. Oh, score. We've got hands. If you're a designer, you know. This is a score. Oh, it's got like palm reading reference. Love that for us. And whatever the hell this is. And then just, yeah, all kinds of hands doing all kinds of things. Collectible toys and games of the 20s and 30s. Whoever we're buying from had a real thing for the 20s and 30s. Okay, this is cool. It's like newsprint ads. Kind of cool. Kind of cool. Okay, are you ready for the big boy? There's like a giant one at the bottom. What are you? I still don't know. Oh, wait. The clip art book. So, as you might have imagined, it is a big book of clip art. Well, that little dude's freaky.